Okay, so you've heard about emissions, but what exactly is Scope 1?
Yeah, all this climate jargon can feel a little much, but don't you worry.
We're going to break it down so it's super easy to remember. Let's dive in.
Okay, the key idea here, Scope 1 is the stuff you own and control directly.
These are the emissions a company makes itself, what they actually burn.
A great way to think about it, it's the smoke coming right from your own chimney.
So that means your company cars, any on-site furnaces, even natural gas for heat.
And that's the big difference. Scope 1 is direct. Scopes 2 and 3, those are indirect.
And since you own it, you have the power to change it. Like right now.
Okay, so why should we care so much about Scope 1? Well, it's a pretty big deal.
I mean, just look. Changing habits and operations can lead to some massive savings.
Take your company cars. Just planning better routes or cutting idle time helps a ton.
And get this, the benefits go way beyond just helping the planet.
You're saving cash, boosting your green image, and making employees happier. It's a win-win-win.
So if you remember one thing, make it this. If you own it and it burns fuel,
It's probably Scope 1. Now that you know, what sources do you see every day? If you like simple breakdowns of tricky energy topics like this, you are in the right place.
Thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe to Energy Simply Explained for more.